I think what's really important about this, though, is that the marketer is always in the loop. What we're trying to do is, with technology systems, is make humans' roles even better and more strategic. So the way I think about that is on the data side, if you get the data flowing, you no longer have an analyst chasing a campaign through the loop. You allow them to focus on the data infrastructure and AI and ML work that they want to do. The same thing's going to happen to the marketer. Instead of the marketer chasing the audience list, it's chasing the creative, chasing the analyst to give them results for their campaign, and then making decisions. Actually, the marketer is going to be brainstorming and making decisions with AI because the data is already taking care of itself, and the marketer gets to play that strategic role. Where I don't see this headed, and I want to be very clear about this, is marketers will always be in the loop. And that means that marketers should be able to govern every step, even though it's automated, marketers should be able to govern every step in the market closed loop marketing system, because it's humans talking to humans, and this is your customer base. And the way your brand is perceived by that customer base is the most important thing in your company.